Hello, hello. Chris Norris here from Santa Clara University's Ciocca Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Welcome to the fifth and final installment of our 2020 Earth Day and Turn Climate Awareness series. I've had fun, and I hope you have too. The opening frame of this episode is a picture of Orange Beach in Alabama on the Gulf of Mexico. It's where my mother-in-law spends her winters. Beautiful place. But that beautiful beach is hiding a dark secret, because the Deepwater Horizon drilling rig blowout in 2010 was not far offshore from there. If you dig down into the sand on the beach, here's what you find. There's a layer of oil that has settled into the sand and is a couple of feet below the surface. And here's some chunks of that sand glued together by spilled crude oil. Come by my office sometime if you want to see for yourself. What a mess. And we did this. Yesterday, we discussed how tackling climate change requires a global perspective, demands actions bigger than ourselves. There's an old saying that when it comes to a breakfast of eggs and bacon, the chicken is involved, but the pig is committed. The single most important thing that each of us can do is become committed. Let me encourage you to dedicate at least a portion of your career to working in an area that will make a global difference. Invention is part of what caused the climate crisis. And invention is going to be the way we solve it. Find the opportunity to visit other countries. Learn and understand the cultural, economic, environmental, and political dynamics. Help to formulate innovative products, services, policies that can drive energy infrastructure towards sustainable technologies. Technology is one of the most impactful levers that we have to combat climate change. Work on batteries, software, chemistry, sequestration, solar, wind, and even that far out stuff. Help the world to invent its way out of the climate crisis. Albert Einstein's famous for a quote that goes, "We can't solve our problems with the same thinking we used to create them." Each of us needs to do something in our lives to address climate change. Decide what and when that will be for you, and then commit to it. The planet and 7 billion people are counting on you. Thank you for listening, and go Broncos.